Hey, Duke. Hi. Duke is pretty young. He's timid. He came in, he was a little on the skittish side. He still is. But he's doing well. You a good boy? You exploring, huh? Look at you. This is Duke. Yes. Sometimes it takes a couple of days for them to get fully acclimated, but he's eating and voiding normally. Nice cat. Seems to be very people oriented. Hey baby, look at you. Look at you. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Yes, you are. My goodness. Look how pretty you are. You like those birds? You like those birds? Yes, you're a nice boy. So he's doing well, nothing to worry about. Like I said, just a little bit timid, but coming around. Yes, look at